Guys, we're on a no cool call. This will be a quick video. I just wanted to show y'all what was going on. I thought y'all might like this. Unit here I put in dry ship unit, ICP. Complaint of the outside unit's not running. I think I found the problem. Yep. I'd say that one is just a tad bad. So it's 80 microfarad, 80 plus 5. We're gonna swap it out real quick. Alright guys, I got a new capacitor in there. I got my wires tied back up. Here's the old one with its guts blown out. Now we're just I'm gonna put the disconnect in and see if she'll start. Alright, it's alive. Suction line seems to be getting cold. Pulling good heat. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the gauges on there though, but like I said, that's a standard procedure. But I haven't seen one this bad in a while, so I just thought I'd do a video on it. So we got us a new 80 plus 5 on there, and she is up and running. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.